can't get on my ship.
Oh! Oh!
Nothing.
Who are you?
I'm sorry.
Right. You didn't see Luke crying when his dad beat him. What did Luke say? Oh! Right? What about Obi-Wan? Oh! Back alive! Oh! Oh! It's back on.
You can actually use your arm in the back.
Oh!
I would.
Oh! Got him in the head! Ouch!
Nice job.
All right, you know what? This is probably not very safe. With the fan up ahead, you guys are probably going to break something, so I'm going to call it quits. All right, we got